Hey YouTube, this is an Ozark Trail bicycle, 27.5 inches. I recently got it from Walmart and I bought a Dynamo kit for it. Unfortunately, half of it is not working. Only the 6 volts output is working. The 12 volts output is dead, which I kind of expected because its age is old. What I did was I installed a LiFePO4 battery in it, lithium iron phosphate battery, and the dynamo wouldn't fit on it because it was built for the old Chinese Phoenix bicycles. It had tiny parts, and this is a mountain bike. It has pretty big parts, so it kind of homebrewed something, or I got a steel clamp. I worked around with it. I'm using a DC cable to power the lights, and this is the tail light. It's initially 6 volts, but I took an extra additional light from there and I installed it here. Since it's 12 volts, it's a bit bigger. The red cover wouldn't fit on it, and the dynamo, with the problem with this is it usually shreds the tire when it's installed. I did have it on another bicycle before, but somebody stole it with somebody stole it from my backyard with the dynamo on it. So that was like a couple years ago, but I wanted to get another bike. This bicycle has disc brakes, and it's only front suspension, no rear suspension. And again, this is the battery that I installed myself. Is 12 volts and 7 amps. But the thing with the battery is you can have the lights on full even if you're not moving. With the dynamo, you have to be riding really fast to get the light this bright. So since the dynamo partially is not working, I think a battery is more efficient. It doesn't switch off completely because it's, like I said, its age is old. I used to see the dynamo sets in the 90s when I was little. In Pakistan, people had those Phoenix bicycles, and they came standard with the dynamo set. So here it is. It's both lights. Not sure if the camera can catch it, but there are 2 lights in there, and both of them are on. And again, they're powered by a 12 volts LiFePO4 battery or lithium iron phosphate battery. I also ordered a charger for it that is arriving tomorrow. Yeah, so this is my setup.